come make it.
How hot
what it
is
is,
hot?
it's T-Cash, Super Castro, Mr. Clark Kent. Right now the feature will not be televised. All you gotta do is tune in to the Handler Radio, Richland College. Turn up, Fish Scale Friday, man. Y'all already know.
Hey man, this is Big Bub the Handler. You listening to the Handler Radio broadcasting live from Richland College in Dallas, Texas, man. Boy T Castanosa in the building.
He finally here. We
made
finally
it.
got him sitting right next to me, ladies.
Castro.
It's going down, man. Glad to have you in the building.
For sure, man. I'm here, man. I've been
We
checking you
glad
out.
to have you here. We really are.
Oh yeah, it's Fish Scale Friday, man.
Yeah.
It's what it is. It's the greatest show on earth right now. Big Bub, you know what I'm saying? Essence in the building.
Oh,
T-Cash,
okay, man.
House Music. We here, man.
Hey man, hold it
Yeah,
down,
man. Y'all
man.
better get familiar and pay attention. Fish
Hey.
Scale 2 about to drop, baby.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So, Cash, what you got going on, man?
Man, everything, man, and I'm wearing a lot of jackets right now. CEO of the company, you know what I mean, front runner up, T-Cash, man, everybody know me. Mr. You know, spread your legs, I don't play, that's my chick, goddamn right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We got a bunch of records finna drop, man, it's crazy, man.
Okay.
You gotta get me featured on some of that stuff, man.
For sure, man,
I was
it is
listening
what
to
it
Fish
is.
Scale
Let's get
last
it.
night.
Huh?
I like itching.
Yeah.
Itching. So that's
Like, yeah, itching for that paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Where did inspiration come from that one?
Oh, nah. What happened was it was a mixtape I jumped on, and we was hopping on a lot of industry beats. So that's really what it was, like some remixes. I was putting a lot of flows. So the first Fish Scale that you seen, that was on live mixtape, we was just jumping on a lot of artists that's already famous.
I like
And I would let them know that I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? I can jump
Already.
on y'all beats and go on and rock out real quick. But now Fish Scale 2 is all original. You know what I mean? So yeah, we taking that approach. We finna go on and make it happen.
So what you got coming up though? What show you got? Any shows? Anything coming up?
Nah, right now I'm locked in. I'm just working on this album, man. I'm finishing up the final touches right now. And that's what it is right now. I ain't moving right now. I'm working.
Okay, we working.
Yeah, we working. And we finna take off though.
You
I'm
working
be
hard or
gone.
hardly working? Which one?
I'm working hard, man. I can't hardly work.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Don't even know the meaning of it. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't know what that
Tell
is.
you the truth. Don't know the meaning of it.
Already.
Yeah.
We feeling.
Yeah, man, that's what that is, man. Yeah, but Cash, man, glad to see you working, man. I'm glad to see you staying busy, man, and let them boys know, man, we do other things, you know, we not just one hit wonders around here, man. We grinding it out, you know what I'm talking about?
Man, I got 2 movie roles coming up. You know what I'm saying? I was going over the script the other day. I was like, yeah, my hat goes out to them actors because they got a lot of things that go on when you read the scripts, man. That's a lot of work.
I have a good question for you. For people who don't know where your came up came from, where did it come from? Where did your come up come from?
It came from my struggles, you know what I'm saying, my reality and where I was, you know what I'm saying, as a kid, you know what I mean? And I had talent for us in athletics, all sports, you know what I'm saying, in which I felt like, yeah, that God didn't, you know, your timing, when you make it, your timing is what it is. It's about timing.
Yes.
And, you know, for us, that football and basketball and everything, that time ran out. But I knew I had talent on for entertainment, you know what I mean? And so it's like, when you come from a position in life where you don't really have it, you know what I mean? And it's just what you see, it ain't there. But, you know, my grind is like, man, I gotta make it out. And I'm putting, you know, reality to the tracks. And my feel and my energy, you can tell that it's real. So that's what it is. Like a lot of people I see that I hear, I'll be like, I'm trying to hear that pain and that struggle. Cause that's, we all got it, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
You can't hear it and feel it, then it ain't gonna work. It ain't
Yeah,
gonna
because
work.
music is going to another level right now. You know, music is doing a transition. I try to tell people this all the time. Music is kind of going back to the real.
Oh yeah, it's going back, man.
Because we tired of hearing that monkey.
What's that monkey? What's that monkey? What's that monkey?
It's a little wham. You gotta eat some meat sometimes and some vegetables.
Right on, right
Yeah,
on.
sweets, man. A lot of people, them sweets, they getting on and they falling right back off.
Yeah.
They got cavities and stuff from the candy.
Yeah.
Too much candy on the music, man. It's time to get real.
That's some real spill, man. Me and Cotton was talking about it just the other day, man, how the music is just, sometimes I don't even want to rap no more, man.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just be like,
I hate it.
I don't like it because I don't listen like a lot of this.
Cause they listen to that poo poo. They listen to that what? Who a poo poo rapper out here?
Don't make me call them.
Yeah.
I just started getting my Twitter followers up.
Call them out. Call them out. They know who they is.
Don't make me call them out, man. Don't make me pull no Kendrick Lamar up in her, man.
Too many rappers. Everywhere I go, everybody want to rap.
Everybody want to. Okay,
wanna
that's
hear it.
good. I got something to say about that. Everybody do want to rap. Everybody does not have that talent. You have to know. You have to. You gotta be grind. You gotta grind on it.
You gotta
And you gotta have flow. Everybody don't have that flow. Everybody don't have that it. They don't.
The approach is a lot of people want to be rappers because they see the ads like for what all the big rappers doing. They wearing, you know, they taking trips, the models,
They want the lifestyle.
the lifestyle, what it look like, but they don't know, you know, what it take to get there, and they don't have what it take to get there. They just see, oh, I want a Bentley, and I want Ford Yados and 26s, and I want, you know what I'm saying? That ain't what. That's just what it look like. You gotta have some financial, you know, budget. You know what I'm saying? To save and bank it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know what goes on.
The way that industry got us right now, man, the industry kind of got us in a chokehold. It's like rappers kind of like almost fading away. It ain't really like what it used to be. I mean, it's like now it's all watered down. People giving music away for free.
Yeah.
And I don't know where they do that at.
You can't make a rapper no more. The labels ain't coming, you know, and grabbing a rapper and saying, we're going to make you a star. You got to be already
You got to be already established. You got to be already established. Like,
they can see, okay, if I can make some money with this cat, I just go on and take off with him now.
T-Cash, I seen you flipping on Instagram all day yesterday, man. I seen you flipping through block to block. What you got going on,
man, it's like you got to use all the avenues to put it out there. Like we've been, you know, putting Fish Scale 2 out and letting everybody know and being aware of what's dropping in the movement. You know what I'm saying? Without budget, but you can do it in certain ways. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta you gotta wake up before people wake up. You know what I'm saying? The hours that ain't nobody up, you can be grinding and working, putting it out there. Shit, you gotta, like now you got Insta video. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put it out there. You know what I'm saying? I was letting them hear, you know, a little teasing them with music and sounds and seeing what it is. Cause I mean, it's all about these programs and these phones and the technology, man. These gotta
took out.
It's out. That's what's popping. That's like what y'all doing. This was popping. That's why I'm rocking with y'all. They don't know, like, this is where it's at. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, music is just taking, like, they didn't have this back in the day.
They did.
When Eric B and Rakim was flowing, you know what I'm saying? They don't know nothing about that. They don't know nothing about Easy eating them, you know what I'm saying? The Grind and Dr. Dre and the Chronic, Snoop Dogg, they ain't had this right here. So now you got to take the avenues and get out there and get it, man.
Yeah, because when I seen it, I hurried up and jumped on it. Y'all don't give me no opportunity to make some noise. Cause I'm out here for real, just like, you know what I'm saying.
You coming through that window now. You ain't knocking on the door.
Exactly.
You coming through that window. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Yeah, man. The handler.
And I'm putting my people on. You know what I'm talking about? So no matter what we got going on. No matter what we got going on, man, I'm gonna put my people on. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. You know what I'm talking about? T-Cash is got his new project, Fish Scale. He officially stamped it. Fish Scale Friday.
Is there anything on the Fish Scale specifically for ladies?
Yeah, I got it, man. You know I got it. What? I'm rocking.
What? Okay.
I love my women. I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for me.
Hey man,
I'm rocking with y'all.
Say that again, man. Like
wouldn't be here. What songs I got on there? Man, I got some heat. I got a song called The Real Thing, produced by Cool and Bean. Cornbread down in H-Town. They got a nice hot song they came up with, and they got the hook. You know what I'm saying? Dude singing on there, just talking about some real information about these ladies, man, that's holding us down.
Yeah.
And that's who, you know, anybody successful, it's gonna be that woman that's holding you down. You know what I'm saying?
Right on.
Background that ain't tripping. It ain't with that young mess, you know what I mean, and all that old
ladies,
foolishness.
T-Cash in the building.
Yeah,
T-Cash
I'm
in the building.
doing this thing, man. Doing this thing. Please believe that. Yeah, man, it's going down, man. This here Big Bub the Handler. You listening to the Handler Radio broadcasting live from Richland College in Dallas, Texas, man.
Turn
We
up.
got Miss Essence and
Turn up.
T Casanosa.
Turn
Make a
up.
move. You know what I'm saying? Doing this thing right here, man.
Fish Friday, man.
What you want to know about that?
We in.
T Cash has officially stamped it.
Fish Scale Friday.
Fish Scale Friday.
Yes, sir. Big Bub. Anybody come through, tell them you coming on a Friday. It's Fish Scale Friday.
Hey,
Cash
man.
and stamped it.
It stamped it. Hey, we might
That's
well
my
get us
day.
a sign
That's
and
my
put it
day,
up.
man.
Fish Scale Friday.
Scale Friday.
That's exactly what was going down.
Everything about quality, man. They ain't talking about no dope. See,
Nah.
y'all missed it. Y'all
Yeah, they on something
I'm
else.
talking about the quality
What they-
of music, man. That's
Talking about that muscle.
Yeah, that muscle. Yeah, put this, drop this, man. Everything coming back. You ain't gonna lose nothing.
Y'all know nothing about that scuttle. When you got some scuttle, that means you working. That means you out here putting it out here and you unstoppable because you got that scuttle and it's gonna sell itself.
Yeah, real talk, man. Keep your brand alive too. A lot of people getting on and they just falling off, man. You don't hear from them, you know what I mean? You be like, wow, what you got? Man, nowadays it ain't about putting out one single. It's about you got to put out 3 and 4 right now, just for something to catch on. Put it out here doing it, cause it's just different music, different ways right now, man.
Yep.
We ain't just rocking one single. We got singles. We got hits. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
If it's a hit, it's gonna move on its own anyway.
Yeah.
Cause you can't good music, it's gonna jump. You know what I'm saying? You drop something, you know what I'm saying? They gonna feel it if it's quality, if it's Fish Scale. Yeah, if it's Fish Scale, if it's quality.
Yeah, man. That's what's up, man.
These boys
For sure.
dropping that whip.
In this thing, man. You listen to the Handler Radio
Turn up,
broadcasting
turn
live.
up, turn up.
Went from selling them sex to perfecting my rap. Okay. Trying to get a platinum plaque. You say these hoe ass niggas in my face. But these niggas must don't know that I don't play. $100,000 I just made today. I'm getting money, partner. Look, I don't play.
Hey, what it is, this T-Cash, Super Castro, Mr. Clark Kent. Right now, the future will not be televised. All you gotta do is tune in to the Handler Radio, Richland College. Turn up, Fish Scale Friday, man. Y'all already know what it is. T-Castro, Super Cash, what's happening?
How hot is hot?